Welcome to this quick and simple tune-up flow. This is a great yoga routine to practice if you need a quick stretch or to clear your mind during a busy day or stressful week. Come to your knees and let's get started. Let's begin with a side stretch. Left hand to the mat, inhaling, right hand overhead. Next, inhale back to center. Exhale, opposite side. Back to center. Go ahead and take your hands to the top of the mat for child's pose. Full inhale. Exhale, allowing the body to become heavy here. Next, inhale to table, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders. Inhale, drop the belly, gaze up for cow. Exhale, rounding through the spine for cat. Continue moving with your breath. Back to center. Tuck the toes. Send the hips up for down dog. Option to bend the knees here. Inhale, lift the heels, round through to plank. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. An option to walk your dog here. Next, inhale, step to the top of the mat. Knees bent for ragdoll, allowing your upper body to drape over your thighs here. Shake the head out. Inhale, rounding all the way up, one vertebrae at a time. Next, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, bend the knees for ragdoll. Option to grab opposite elbows. Inhale, slowly rounding to standing. Next, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step to the top of the mat. Bend knees for ragdoll. Inhale, slowly rolling up to standing. Next, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, grab opposite elbows. Keep the knees straight, or option 2, bend here. Release the hands. Slowly rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Next, inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale one more time, grabbing all that space. Exhale, heart center. Namaste.